Well, speaking of Intel guy, and I have said this, here's what I would give credit to Intel, all BS aside. Whenever I have talked to the Intel guy in the past, Intel last year was really good at providing us processor samples. They sent me my i9-9980XE. They sent me my i9-10980XE. They sent me the i9-9900K, the i9-9900KS, the i7-8700K, an i5-8400. They sent me the Intel Optane drive I did a video on. Remember that big, fancy, expensive thing? Mm-hmm. I will give Intel credit, or at least my Intel guy. Whenever I've said to him, here's what I think. In our conversations, he's never tried to blow sunshine up my butt.
No.
He understands what the reality of the market is.
Yes.
He knows the positioning and the factors and the costs and the motherboard changes. I mean, he will, of course, use the Intel words and language that he's supposed to because he works for Intel. He, of course, always makes sure whenever I ask him a question about unannounced products, says, as you know, Intel does not comment on these products. I cannot say anything. I said, well, you can give me a hint. He goes, Intel does not comment. So he's good. Hey, Intel bosses, if you're listening, your Intel guy is pretty good about that. And we have a laugh about it because, I'll even say to him, I said, well, I'm not doing my job if I don't ask. And he goes, I know, man, it's okay. Everybody asks. You can ask all you want. It's like a challenge. I got to make sure to always say Intel does not comment on unannounced products. Except for that one. No, just kidding. So here's the deal. They know that the lack of hyper-threading has been a problem.
Yes.
They know that their price and availability and options have not been up to snuff. They do not have idiots working there. They really don't.
If it's only going to be there for such a short time, why even create a whole new motherboard?
Hold on. This is an important point because a lot of people love to say, oh, Intel's stupid. They don't have stupid people working there. They have product plans that are made well in advance. And while they won't admit it, and in fact, my Intel guy won't even say it to me privately, not directly anyway, they did get caught flat-footed by Ryzen. Intel did not see Ryzen coming.
Nope. Not with how many people they put on stuff too from AMD.
You know what? Intel got complacent from years and years of minor iterations with nothing to compete against. Yep. And this is why, as much as we don't want AMD to fail, we don't. AMD is doing better. Great. Profits. Yep. Success. Go Dr. Lisa Su. It's wonderful. I have seen a lot of comments in the past year going, go AMD, destroy Intel and run them out of business. You don't want that to happen either. Just like if you're a diehard Ford guy, you don't want Chevy to go out of business because you want Chevy pushing Ford to make better products at competitive prices. If you're a diehard Chevy fan, you don't want Ford to go out of business. You want Ford to be pushing Chevy to make better and better products and do well.
Correct.
Competition makes us, the consumers, the winner. And here in Comet Lake, to be blunt, we finally have a full line of Intel CPUs that I can genuinely say are all worth buying if the price is right. We need a Price is Right logo to go up on the screen.
I was reaching for it.